Welcome back, guys, to another video. Sorry for, I'm gonna say this first, sorry for if I wasn't uploading for this long. Today I'm playing a new game called Red Sun, the premium version. So, there are 4 campaigns you can play by defense and 3 other types like the Japan, the something, but we are gonna start with this one. I never have played this game, so I don't know what to do. Okay, can I please unselect this music? This music is really irritating. Guessing this is the main. I read a bit of this. You get a... There we go, that's way better. I'm gonna showcase every campaign. So I don't know. I'm gonna also try finishing this. I'm gonna play also a bit off camera just to speed up the process. Okay, that's dope music, but not the best. I'm guessing this is the abilities you can get. Isn't that what you buy? Oh, look there, we got power as well. And guys, the reason I haven't been uploading so much because I was really busy with exams, literally busy with my learning. Most of my heavy stuff is now gone, so I will be uploading now daily. Well, actually not let's say from this Thursday, because I'm writing 3 more tests this week, 2 on the same day, so I'm gonna upload full on by Thursday. The base is very training different from how for very good. Okay, cool. And guys, if you want this game, go to Play Store, download it, put in Red Sun. It will give you 3 versions of it: the demo, the modified one, and the premium. I'm currently with the premium, but the demo is I think precisely just like it. But I hope you guys are having a wonderful time at your place wherever you are around the globe.
Construction complete.
Excellent, look, the mini-map is up there in the right corner. Just there. You guys can read this if you want. Just pause the video. Now I'm wondering when is the alien... Oh, no, I don't know what I'm fighting against.
Construction complete.
Nice, that was yummy. I'm guessing I will put the power on this side. And if the music is a bit loud, I can't really fix that, so that's a problem. Hell, why is it so small? I think we need only... Yeah, I think we need 1 more after this one. I think then we are set with power. It looks like they didn't add the new pictures of the building, so I think that's what the infantry used to look like. Okay, I don't know what this is. The armor. I think this is where the weapons come. But it actually sounds like an upgrading thing because of the armory. I think at least. Let's see. Oh yes, this is where the upgrades come. Holy damn, that's expensive as hell. Yeah, we're not gonna upgrade that anytime. Okay, let's do this basics. I'm gonna put a rocket turret on this strike and then a strike near the communication helicopter manufacturing.
Building.
I need one more.
Building.
So that's how the original power plant used to look like, and this is how it looks like now. Wow. And if you guys want to, you can just stop on the video if you want to see what this just said. I knew it. So we are fighting against the same person. Okay, so we got a ring. Alright, cool. So now we can fix that. Where's that guy? I think we only okay. Let's select one more because we're gonna put. So that turret is very good against a.
Construction complete.
It's good against vehicles. It looks like. Multi-kill. Okay, let's change the music because it's getting a bit loud. That's what the original looks like. Wow. Okay, we can accept that. But I don't think there's more buildings. Hold on, guys. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Nothing changed for the. I think that was just like 5 seconds. So, I'm guessing this is the infantry, and this is the vehicles. Okay, let's begin with the vehicles because I don't know what's the good strategy in this game. I don't know how loud this is gonna be, so I'm just gonna put a sound warning by the video title. I guess I can just call this episode 1 of Red Sun. Red Sun episode 1. Okay, so we got our units, so I guess we can start building our thing. So the radar. This game looks already interesting. A buggy. Crusader. So I'm guessing I'm gonna send. Actually, no. I think I will send all of them. How do I select them? Oh wait, they have a selection. Is there enemies? Here? Oh, there's enemies. Okay, there's the enemy. Yes. So, okay, so I guess, yeah, this is definitely the enemy's place. yo, a cruiser. Yeah, that guy got annihilated. So this is the first campaign mission, I think, of the Alliance? Yeah, this is loud. Jesus Christ. I need to put this down a bit in the editing. If this is really loud, I'm really sorry, guys. There's another one. Kill him. Kill him. This game is already interesting. I love it. Okay, at least this music is peaceful. Okay, so I'm guessing if you destroy all the buildings, or the objective is to kill the enemy, so I'm guessing the main objective is to kill the enemy, and if the objective is to game ends. Alright, out of power. You can't shoot. Well, alright. Oh, what? The page that this is not really informed. Oh, that was the first mission. Well, guys, this was mission 1. If you guys want to check this game out of yourself, this is not gonna be the last I'm recording this. There's gonna be way more. I think in total like 20 episodes max. But yeah, this is basically a Red Sun premium version. So I don't know what's the difference between the premium and demo. But I will see you all in the next Red Sun video I will make. Anyways, love you guys so much, and thank you all for over 80 subscribers. Love you all. Bye.